Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Today I'm sharing the most beautiful and amazing crochet shoe designs with you guys. These are the bestest designs which I'm sharing with you, so you must be watching my video till end, and if you love my content, do share it with the people as well. Thank you for watching and supporting my videos. It really means a lot to me, and I'll surely be working hard for you with the same grace. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Go visit my videos. If you like my videos and content, do share it with other people as well. I'll be working hard for you guys with the same grace and will be bringing on the best of the data content designs for you guys. Thank you for always supporting and loving on my videos. Keep watching, keep supporting my videos. I'll be working hard for you guys with the same grace. May Allah bless you all forever. Look how pretty and amazing the designs are. I'm in love with the collection. If you have any kind of question or query regarding this video, you can clarify right through me in the comment section. I'm always there to guide you and to support you. Keep watching, keep supporting my videos. May Allah bless you all forever. You can purchase these crochet shoe designs from nearest of your marketplace, and I'll be bringing on this kind of amazing videos for you on a daily basis. Look how pretty and amazing these designs are. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any suggestions or recommendations for my channel, you can drop it down in the comment section. I'll be looking after them to all. Keep watching, keep supporting my videos, and I'll honestly be working hard for you with the same spirit. Thank you for your unconditional love. If you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, guys, go subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when my new video is out. Thank you for watching my video, and do let me know if you guys enjoyed my content or not. See you soon guys with some new and amazing ideas. Till then, enjoy my previous videos and keep supporting me. May Allah bless you all forever. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon. Till then, stay blessed, stay home, and keep supporting. Allah Hafiz, Fi Amanullah.